yes guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. We're back here down at the local track on the new bike. But yeah, I haven't been riding for 3 months, 4 months. Been getting in a couple of sessions, but it's been too cold. So I'm going to try back on the YouTube videos now. We've got Will back, but we're both quite busy. So yeah, today we're going to be doing a power hour. Just going to cut together some clips, put a song over. Will's going to edit it for you guys. Let me know what you think of it in the description.